What if I told you that the very food millions of seniors eat every day for heart and brain health could secretly be hurting them? Yes, I'm talking about walnuts, the so-called superfood that doctors praise and health magazines worship. But here's the truth nobody tells you. After 60, the same handful of walnuts that can protect your heart can also damage it if you eat them the wrong way. One small mistake in how you eat, store, or combine them can turn this golden food into a silent health destroyer. So before you grab another handful, stay with me, because what you're about to discover could save your heart, sharpen your mind, and add years to your life. Now listen carefully, because if you're over 60, this message could protect your health and even add years to your life. Walnuts are one of nature's best foods for the heart, brain, and joints. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential minerals your body craves. But like any powerful medicine, the dose, timing, and method matter. After 60, your metabolism slows, your digestive enzymes weaken, and your liver processes fats differently. So even a healthy food like walnuts can backfire if you don't adapt. That's why today on the Seniors Hub, we're diving deep into the 5 biggest mistakes seniors make with walnuts and how to fix them for good. Mistake number 1, eating too many at once. I know it's tempting. Walnuts taste great and they're full of good fats. But remember, even good fats have limits. Just 7 walnut halves, about 1 ounce, contain around 185 calories and 18 grams of fat. For a younger body, that's fine. But after 60, your digestive system works slower and your body can't process that much fat efficiently. Eating too many at once can cause bloating, loose stools, and even unwanted weight gain. Instead, enjoy just 1 ounce per day. Eat them slowly, savor them, and ideally, make them an afternoon snack when your metabolism is steady. Pair them with apple slices or Greek yogurt to help digestion and improve nutrient absorption. Mistake number 2, eating walnuts too close to medications. This one surprises most people. Walnuts are rich in fiber and healthy fats, but both slow digestion. That means if you take heart medicine, thyroid medication, or blood thinners, walnuts can delay or reduce how much your body absorbs. Studies from the Mayo Clinic confirm that fatty foods can delay medication absorption by up to 2 hours. So always wait at least 2 hours between taking medication and eating walnuts. Think of it like this. Your pills need an open runway to work properly. Don't crowd the path with nuts right before or after. Mistake number 3, storing walnuts the wrong way. This is what hurt Margaret. Walnuts are delicate. They contain oils that spoil quickly in warm air. If you keep them in a pantry, they can go rancid in weeks, even if they look fine. Rancid walnuts taste slightly bitter and can cause inflammation, headaches, and fatigue. Always store walnuts in an airtight container inside your refrigerator or freezer. That one step can double their freshness and protect their heart-healthy oils. And here's a quick test. If they smell sharp or unpleasant, throw them away. Fresh walnuts should smell mild and nutty, never sour. Mistake number 4, mixing walnuts with the wrong foods. Walnuts already contain good fats, so eating them with other high-fat foods like cheese, fried meals, or heavy meat can overload your liver. After 60, your body's fat processing enzymes slow down, meaning you'll feel sluggish and tired if you stack fats on fats. Instead, combine walnuts with fiber-rich foods like oats, salads, or fruit. In Japan, one of the healthiest countries in the world, many elders eat small servings of nuts with green tea or fruit rather than heavy meals. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in how your body uses those nutrients. Mistake number 5, ignoring how your body reacts. This is the one most seniors overlook. Just because you don't have an obvious allergy doesn't mean your body loves walnuts. Pay attention to subtle signs, mild bloating, dry skin, or fatigue after eating them. Those might be hints that your body needs a break or a smaller portion. Some seniors find soaking walnuts overnight in water makes them gentler on digestion. When you listen to your body, it tells you everything you need to know. Now let's talk about why all this matters. Walnuts aren't just a snack. They're brain food. Harvard Health reports that eating 1 ounce a day can reduce the risk of heart disease by 15% and improve memory retention. They're packed with omega-3s that keep your arteries flexible and your neurons firing strong. But when eaten the wrong way, they do the opposite. Oxidized oils trigger inflammation, slow digestion, and mess with your metabolism. The line between benefit and harm is thin, and it's all about how you eat them. Let me share another story, this time about Robert, a retired teacher from Texas. At 72, he prided himself on eating healthy. Every morning, he'd sprinkle walnuts over his cereal and wash them down with coffee and his blood pressure medication. Over time, his medication became less effective. His doctor kept increasing his dose until someone finally asked about his diet. The culprit? Walnuts eaten right after his pills. The fats slowed the absorption of his medicine, making it seem like it wasn't working. Once he learned to separate the timing, medications first, walnuts 2 hours later, his blood pressure normalized without an extra pill. That's how powerful these details can be. See, aging isn't about giving up the foods you love. It's about getting smarter with them. Your body isn't weaker, it's wiser. It doesn't need more food. It needs better use of what you already give it. When you honor that wisdom, your body rewards you with energy, balance, and clarity. So here's your action plan for today. Step 1. Limit your walnuts to 1 ounce daily. Step 2. Store them in a cool, airtight container. Step 3. Separate them from your medication times. Step 4. Pair them with light, fiber-rich foods. And step 5. Pay attention to how your body feels after eating them. These small shifts can transform your health, one handful at a time. Because in the end, true health doesn't come from what you eat. It comes from how you live. The Seniors Hub is here to help you live smarter, longer, and stronger. Don't let small mistakes steal your energy or your peace of mind. You deserve better. And your body is still capable of incredible things when you treat it with awareness and care. If this video helped you, don't just scroll away. Take one small step today. Fix how you eat your walnuts, share this knowledge with your friends, and protect your health. And if you like this message, then like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and share it with your loved ones who care about their health too. Your support helps us keep bringing you life-changing insights every week. Tell us in the comments, how do you like to eat your walnuts? Have you noticed any difference in your energy or digestion? We'd love to hear your story, just like we shared Margaret's and Robert's. Remember this, the little things you do daily determine how powerfully you age. And sometimes the difference between pain and power is just a handful of walnuts done right. So choose wisely, stay aware, and keep walking your path of strength, clarity, and longevity with the Seniors Hub by your side.